So it feels like wire charger as we used to use, not real wireless charger. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Catherine. Finally, the MagSafe Everything Just Clicks is here. Today, I'd like to share my MagSafe experience on Apple's very first wireless charger, which is a new ecosystem of accessory for easy attachment and faster wireless charging. As a person who uses wireless charger every day on my desk, I'm so excited to use this new product, MagSafe. So let's see, what's in the box? They're definitely put on an emphasis on portability with this, because this charger is such a simple and light one. Here's a little cute MagSafe charger, which is super tiny and cute, and USB-C integrated cable, which recommends to pick up one of their 20-watt chargers are inside. That's it. My first impression I got is cute, and it looks like a candy bar or stethoscope. And when it comes to the weight, it is not heavy at all and even light. For me, I'm so sensitive about the device weight, because I don't want to put pressure to my wrist. So I think the weight is quite satisfying with me. Let's just check out the magnetic aspect then. I separately purchased 20-watt USB-C power adapter, which Apple's recommended. The charger is going to slap on the back, and as you can see, it is magnetically there. Well, it is the strongest connection to my iPhone Pro 12. By the way here, the most exciting point for me is that there's a cute sound with an animation when you put the charger on your phone. It reminds me of the Mac startup chime sound. For like, welcome, you knocked the right Apple's place. To be detailed of the magnetic aspect, first of all, it is quite fresh behavior for me that this wireless charger, you're bringing the charger with you. So it feels like wire charger as we used to use, not real wireless charger. I mean, normally when you are away from the charger, there was nothing that you have to do, right? You just can live without charger. It is quite irritating for me, or I can say it is not really accustomed for me to go one more step, which requires to me leave out the charger from the phone. But there must be cool parts, obviously. You can actually keep using the phone while charging it, which is the major cool point, just like you have used the wires before. And this Qi wireless charging supports all devices, no matter what you have. Since the MagSafe charger maintains capability with Qi charging, so it can be used to wireless charge your iPhone 8, iPhone Pro 11, or even Galaxy Note. And also, it is the fastest charger ever among the wireless charger. And above all, I'm so excited to look forward to meeting the next version of MagSafe, or even small evolved one. So yeah, I think the MagSafe has pros and cons, but it is kind of a good starter to move on the next journey of the world of charging. Who knows, one day the new version of MagSafe satisfies with all our needs. To sum up with, I found this might be a small argument point, obviously. You can choose option A, which you can still use it by only dropping that with the wireless charger, but with your whichever case you love. And this is pretty easy to lift the thing up, you live. You don't need to take care about one more dummy step. You can just go, forget about the charger. And option B, just use it. And gradually adapting the MagSafe with Apple's new magnetic case. So I'm not sure really which might be the best option for you. I go with an official Apple case or without Apple's magnetic case. Well, but for me, I would choose Apple's magnetic case, even though it is quite annoying that we have to separately purchase the power adapter. Well, you know, we're human beings, so at the end, we will adapt this behavior anyway. So I decided to experience Apple's new idea. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please thumbs up this video if you like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!